I'm a chronic nail biter. I've always bitten my nails, and plus recently I've been doing acrylics, and I don't know, I got to a point that I'm like, you know, my nails are looking really rough. Like the surface is just really gross. My nails are like paper. They've always been like paper because I bite them, because I put a lot of crap on them that honestly is not good for your nails. It's very damaging. So I've decided that I want to go ahead and give myself a little bit of a vacation from the acrylics and from all the glue and all the chemicals and all that stuff. So I found this. This actually was really highly recommended online. So this is the, I don't know if it's modelones, but it's Nail Hydra Strength Essence. And this is supposed to help strengthen your nails, but you can also wear it on its own, which how I'm going to be wearing it. Because again, I'm taking a little break from just doing nails in general. So hopefully that'll help. But you can put it underneath the nail. So if you're still getting manicures and things, you can still use this underneath that and then just go in with your, you know, your base coat, your regular coat, your top coat, gel, lamp, all of the things. Here's what it looks like. So I like the size of it. I like that it's actually a little bit larger because this should last a longer time. So it's 0.46 flow ounces. And I think the bottle is really sleek. Like I really like the way that looks. You have that like ombre effect here. It just looks really nice. They do give you this little user manual as well that gives you insight. I like that there's Q&A in here, so that's cool. It gives you insight into how to use it. So again, if you're using it with other nail products or you're just using it as a standalone. So what is inside of this stuff? So you actually have plant amino acids and hydrolyzed protein in here. So that's what's helping kind of rebuild your nails and give it that extra strength. Here is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you. Ooh, okay. So I knew that it had a scent to it. And honestly, it worried me a little bit because anytime something smells like anything, it can be strong, right? It can be strong. It can be chemically. This is not like that. It's actually really, really nice. It's very mild and very gentle. But I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you what it looks like. You can see just how messed up my nails are. It's kind of embarrassing, but yeah. So I'm just going to paint it on here. Super simple. And that's it, but it goes on super smooth. You can see just that level of shine on there. And then you're gonna wanna let it dry. So usually let it dry for like a minute and a half. But the brush is really nice. I do like that the brush is tapered. You can see here that it kind of goes in like a rounded edge. So that's really good about getting to the back, like right in the corner of your nail. It goes on super easy. You can see the shine on that. And then usually you just want to do one coat of this. And then again, if you're using your full routine where you're putting your base coat and then your color and then your top coat, you can do that as well. Just make sure that you wait for this to dry about a minute and a half. But yeah, I'm really excited about it. So granted, I don't know how this is going to work. Hopefully it does make my nails stronger, but I will come back and make another review video after I've used it for a few weeks, just to kind of give you some insight. Are my nails growing? Do they feel like they're stronger? Because I think that's the testament, right? We want things that work. So far so good. I think just overall, it feels really nice on the hands. It doesn't have that strong scent and it's very easy to use. So I recommend it so far, but I will come back and let you know what I think once I've used it for a little while.